Garlic butter pasta is easy to make and absolutely delicious. We're gonna start off with a hell of a lot of garlic in a pot. You're gonna cover it all with some olive oil, cook it on low heat on the stove for about 1 hour, and put it in a food processor. Add some unsalted butter, a little bit of salt, pepper, and let's get mixing. Look at that beautiful smooth consistency. Put it in a bowl. Add some parsley, tomato paste, Parmesan cheese, and start mixing. Today we're gonna use about 400 grams of gluten-free pasta. Add your sauce over it, mix it all together. Add some more parsley, some chili flakes, add some more Parmesan cheese because more is better, and dig in. If you love delicious dishes that give you a bad breath, this is the one for you.